I will never look at wine the same after this tour. Let's explore Porto in style. Porto is calling, and we've got the perfect day planned just for you. Start your journey in the heart of Portugal's stunning wine regions. Sip on world-famous port wines straight from the source. Next, step aboard your private boat and glide down the serene Douro River. Feel the breeze, soak in the views, and snap those Insta-worthy shots. And for the grand finale, a gourmet lunch crafted by a top-notch chef. Picture this: fresh, local ingredients perfectly paired with more exquisite wines. It's a feast for your taste buds. Whether you're a wine lover, a foodie, or just someone looking for an unforgettable experience, this Porto tour has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Book your spot, and let's make some memories. Discover Porto like never before. Cheers to the adventure.